I want you to imagine a life without financial stress. Picture being able to live life on your own terms, free from debt, and with peace of mind. That's exactly what the Dave Ramsey baby steps can help you achieve. In this video, we are diving into how the Dave Ramsey baby steps work and why they are so effective in helping people achieve financial freedom. Be sure to stay tuned until the end, where I will tell you how they changed my life. Welcome back to Dollars and Cents Studio, where my goal is to empower you to take control of your personal finances and embark on a journey towards financial freedom. Why trust my advice? Because I faced over $100,000 in debt head-on and triumphed over this massive burden through discipline, perseverance, patience, and dedicated budgeting. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below sharing the topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos to help you master your financial journey. Lastly, check out the link in the description where you can schedule a complimentary 15-minute call with me. We could talk about your financial situation and determine if my coaching service aligns with your needs. Baby step 1, save $1,000 for an emergency fund. The first step on your journey to financial freedom is to build a $1,000 emergency fund. This may seem like a small amount, but it's a critical safety net for unexpected expenses. It shields you from re-entering debt when life presents unexpected challenges. Our primary objective is debt elimination, and having this $1,000 reserve ensures we won't resort to credit cards for unexpected costs like car repairs, home appliance maintenance, or unforeseen medical bills. When I work with clients, I help them create their zero-based budget first, a process explained in my zero-based budgeting video linked in the description. Once the budget takes shape, it provides a designated savings amount, which serves as the foundation for progressing through the baby steps. Let's consider an example. If your zero-based budget reveals a monthly savings capacity of $200, you can allocate this toward completing step 1 in just 5 months, resulting in a $1,000 emergency fund. If there's any surplus within your budget, you can also funnel it towards accelerating your progress. Don't be discouraged by the amount of months it takes to get this done. Remember, this is a journey, not a sprint. I personally dedicated years to these steps and have no regrets. Baby step 2, paying off all debt except for your mortgage. In my view, steps 2 and 3 are among the most empowering steps of this process. Firstly, in step 2, the objective is to eliminate all of your debts, excluding your mortgage, employing the debt snowball method. Start by listing your debts from smallest to the largest and concentrate on clearing them one by one. Once again, refer to your zero-based budget and direct the savings amount, along with any additional funds, toward paying off the loan with the smallest balance. Of course, keep up the minimum payments on other debts. However, channel your dedicated savings along with any additional funds available towards rapidly reducing the balance of your first loan on the list. After successfully paying off one debt, redirect your savings and any available funds to the next lowest balance loan, and continue this cycle until all debts are cleared. Remember, don't get discouraged, as this step can take some time. An alternative approach to debt repayment is the avalanche method, which prioritizes paying off the loan with the highest interest rate first, as opposed to the snowball method, which focuses on clearing the smallest balance initially. While the avalanche method can potentially save you some money in interest charges, the snowball method is effective for helping you stay committed to your plan. Swiftly eliminating smaller debts can be motivating, providing a sense of achievement that aids in keeping you on course. Baby step 3, building a fully funded emergency fund. In baby step 3, your goal is to expand your emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. You can utilize your savings budget in addition to the funds you were previously allocating towards loan payments to build this essential safety net. This ensures you're prepared for larger financial setbacks and serves as a safeguard against falling back into debt. Consider the situation of 2 individuals, Tim and Jenna, both facing job loss due to company downsizing. Tim is burdened by substantial debt and lacks a 6-month emergency fund. In contrast, Jenna has successfully completed steps 1 through 3, is debt-free, and can continue covering her living expenses. When it comes to making well-informed decisions in her job search, Jenna clearly holds the advantage. She can approach the process without the stress of immediate financial concerns, affording her the freedom to carefully select a fitting position and avoid potential setbacks like missed payments, housing instability, or credit damage. Tim, on the other hand, is likely to experience an overwhelming level of stress and may feel compelled to accept any available job just to pay his bills. The months Jenna invested in completing steps 1 through 3 are truly invaluable. The sense of security that comes from being financially prepared for a situation like this is priceless. You might be wondering, how much should you allocate to your 3 to 6 month emergency fund? In my work with clients, I encourage them to identify the essential budget categories that would be critical if they were to face a job loss. We then calculate the monthly total for these necessities and multiply it by either 3 or 6, providing a clear target for the savings required to accomplish step 3. Baby step 4, invest 15% of your household income. At last, you've achieved debt freedom, with the exception of your mortgage, if you have one. Reaching this milestone may have taken years, but the journey is worth every bit. Now that you're debt-free and have a solid emergency fund, it's time to build wealth. Baby step 4 encourages you to allocate 15% of your income towards retirement investments, such as a 401k offered by your employer or a Roth IRA. Please note that I am not a financial advisor, and I recommend that my coaching clients seek advice from a qualified financial professional for this step. At this stage, my advice is to carefully review your budget and confirm that you are directing 15% of your net income towards your retirement savings. If you find yourself with additional funds beyond this 15% and you have children or are planning to have children, it's time to progress to step 5. However, if you do not have such plans, you can skip to step 6. Baby step 5, save for your children's college education. Education is no doubt very important, but it doesn't have to burden your children with student loan debt. Baby step 5 focuses on creating savings for your kids' college expenses, ensuring that they can graduate with the least amount of debt as possible, hopefully zero. With the escalating cost of education, step 5 provides a valuable opportunity to give your children a head start when they enter college. By minimizing their college debt, they can move more swiftly through their own financial journey, completing the baby steps with greater ease. Baby step 6, pay off your home early. In baby step 6, the goal is to expedite your mortgage payments to pay off your property early. Envision the incredible financial freedom that comes with owning your home outright. Examine your budget closely to determine the additional amount you can comfortably allocate to your mortgage. There's no greater sense of accomplishment than reaching this milestone, allowing you to proudly declare, "I am genuinely debt-free." The feeling of walking through your front door when your home is entirely your own is something we should all strive for. Baby step 7, build wealth and give generously. Baby step 7 marks the pinnacle of your financial journey, focusing on building wealth, giving to others, and creating a lasting legacy. You are now completely debt-free, actively saving for retirement and your children's education. It's time to substantially bolster your wealth within your retirement accounts and extend your generosity to others. At this stage, you can relish the rewards of your hard work and positively impact the lives of those around you. Lastly, I want to emphasize that you can continue to enjoy life while progressing through these steps. Adhering to a budget and a long-term plan doesn't imply sacrificing all enjoyment. The Dave Ramsey baby steps work. Here's why. First, they provide clarity. Dave's plan provides a well-defined path, eliminating uncertainty in personal finance. While challenges may arise during the journey, having a long-term plan to fall back on helps you stay on course. Next, they affect behavior. The debt snowball method and early wins bolster motivation and discipline in the initial stages. Emergency funds. Maintaining a financial cushion safeguards against falling into debt when facing unexpected life challenges. And lastly, they give you long-term perspective. Prioritizing retirement, college funds, and mortgage payoff ensures a secure financial future. The Dave Ramsey baby steps have empowered numerous individuals and families, myself included, to attain financial freedom and inner peace. Going through this journey instilled in me a sense of achievement and financial stability. I've experienced firsthand the weight of debt and the sensation of losing control over finances, and these steps served as my lifeline. I'm immensely thankful for Dave and the impact his baby steps have had on my life. If you're prepared to regain control of your finances, embarking on these steps will set you on the path toward realizing your financial goals. If you need assistance, check out the link in the description where you can schedule a complimentary 15-minute call with me. We could discuss your financial situation and determine if my coaching service aligns with your needs. I would love to help you lay out your zero-based budget and the baby steps to come up with a plan for your money. Drop a comment below and share your experience if you're working through these steps yourself. And remember to tell us which other subjects you'd love to see covered in our upcoming videos. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video valuable, be sure to show your support by hitting the like button and share. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more empowering content that guides you on your path to financial prosperity.